Hello, good evening, happy new year. Welcome to Live and Conversation. My name is Daphne Antoine.
And I am Daphnée Camilien.
All right, happy new year, everyone. Welcome back to a new year of Live and Conversation, where our hope is to share resources and information for you to thrive, whether you are a stay at home mom and an entrepreneur or a recent migrant in the Chicago community. With that being said, we have Attorney Chameleon with us, who always start with the disclosure.
Sure, I'm an attorney. Anything that I say this evening does not enter us into an attorney-client relationship. And all information shared this evening is for information purposes only. Renee Antoine, Renee, Daphne Renee Antoine is a financial entrepreneur. Anything that she shares this evening does not create a fiduciary duty between her and anyone listening this evening. Any information that she shares is also for information purposes only and for entertainment purposes only. Back to you.
Awesome, awesome. So, with that being said, we do want to share a few resources with you all this evening. I know it's the first week of January. Many of us oftentimes have goals or resolutions or things that we want to accomplish throughout the new year. So whether you want to go back to school or whether you have a business or maybe you want to start a business and you are looking for different options and ways to fund your education or your business, this is our topic for this evening. So come in, bring your question. Yeah, be live so you can get the information you need to thrive. So now Attorney Chameleon will do a legal segment for us this evening.
Sure. I'll keep it short and sweet this evening. I'll be talking about immigration and what's going on in the latest immigration news. Currently, USCIS has stated that they are going to increase the prices for certain applications. There are many applications. I'm not going to list all of them, but things that might be of interest to people is the N400, which is the citizenship application. Uh, the N600 with certification of citizenship, the adjustment of status application for those who are maybe going to maybe like a marriage petition and they're trying to file what they call I-485. That those fees are going to go up. Some work authorization fees they're proposing to go up. So if you have some immigration things, if for example, if you have a green card, if you're a green card holder, you've been a green card holder for at least 5 years, you've been thinking about becoming a citizen, you just kind of just been slowing down, and just kind of not procrastinating. This might be the time to go ahead and get your application in. If you need a certification of your citizenship, anything of that nature. If if you were born overseas, anything of that nature, and you're just trying to get your citizenship certified, you should go ahead and take care of that stuff now before the fees go up, because the fees are going to go up. Some of the reasons, that they said that the fees would be going up is that 90, which this is a very interesting fact. I got this from USCIS's website. 96% of their funding comes from actual application fees, right? And so we're talking about billions of dollars. That's how many people are applying for immigration services. And USCIS.gov, that's the website people go to when you need to get an application to file for things like a green card or your citizenship or work authorization, asylum, all those things like that. That's the website you go to. So I'm just talking about application fees for immigration services, but 96% has gone is where they get their fees from. And under the Trump administration, there was a significant decrease in applications, which caused furthermore backlog. So they're going to use the money. They said, the article said the last time they raised fees was 2016 for some of these fees, and they're going to be using this money to hire more people to process applications, which is desperately needed. give people raises, and just I guess funding to keep up with all the inflation and all the stuff that's going on. But it's a significant amount of money in just application fees. So that's what they're saying they're using the money for. But that's what the proposal was. So back to you, Daphne.
All right, very interesting. Great fact. Um, that just shows how much money that the I guess the migrant community pour in into the U.S. economy, and how much or how many jobs are secured based on that service. And so I guess it's like a win-win
Hmm.
for everyone. Wouldn't you agree? Uh,
Oh
no, go
yeah.
ahead. I'm sorry.
No, you're right. You're right.
So this is basically I think it's a service to the migrants coming here to be able to come to a country that can afford them maybe a safe place and different other economic opportunities to thrive. In exchange, they are also building the economy by financing um, this program, and also all the workers who benefit from it. As a matter of fact, one of the questions that I had for you, and obviously not for now, but maybe in a future conversation, is I know with TPS, temporary protected status, many migrants now have the opportunity to work, right? To
Hmm.
basically be gainfully employed. Uh, I would like us maybe to have some statistics with regards to what is the percentage of migrants who, once they get the TPS, who actually find employment and who are able to contribute to the U.S. economy. I think that would be a great conversation to have at a later time.
Yeah, sure. There was that's actually that is something we can probably find because
Mhm.
when they were ending TPS, they were talking about employment contributions for the different groups of people who were on TPS
Yes,
and their impacts on the economy if
exactly.
TPS ended. So I'm sure that data is out there.
I agree, and it'll be a good data to show. So with that being said, thank you, Attorney Camillian. So this was our legal segment. Obviously, today was focused on immigration. However, Attorney Camila can answer any question that you have with respect to any like legal question. So with that being said, if you ever have a question that you would like to ask her, you can obviously join us during a live and type your question in the comment, and we'll, if we cannot answer the same day, we'll follow up the next week. And if you also need her services, you can reach out to Attorney Chameleon at 847-410-9022, 847-410-9022, as well as chameleonlaw.com. All right. So once again, welcome to Live in Conversation with Tony Camilin and I'm Daphne Antoine. We are here to keep you informed, share resources with you, encourage you to go to the next level. So earlier on, I stated that I will share a few resources um, with you all. And so that's what I hope to do this evening. And hopefully you will find it beneficial with regards to what you want to accomplish this year. So let's start with maybe if your goal is to go back to school. Actually, this resource is like two in one for those of us who may have children at home. Let me share this resource with you all quickly. It's specific for the Chicagoland area. So if actually for Chicago, it's specific to Chicago. So if you are in a different state, maybe you can look into what your state has to offer. I'm assuming you should find something similarly to it, but then this is for Chicago. Okay, so let me share quickly. Mm, okay. So go ahead and share this live, connect other people, uh, because this information I'm sure will be helpful to any parent or anyone looking to have a career in child services. Mhm. See, the thing with me, I have a lot of.
Mhm.
Uh, okay, I have so many tab. So let's talk about the We Are program, which is not what I was gonna start with, but I can go ahead and start with it. I shared this maybe sometime last year. So the um We Are program, which is the Illinois Workforce Training Program, is an opportunity for anyone who may be currently unemployed, or maybe you are underemployed and you are looking for opportunities to increase your skill set, so that maybe you want to go to a different career, you want to change career, you want to learn something new. You are able to connect with this program and find different programs that they have that they can finance for you to learn that program and help you find employment with the program. So with that being said, if you are someone you know want to change career, or maybe you are currently unemployed and you're looking for opportunities to gain new skills, this is a great place to start. So again, it's the um I'm sorry, there's so many like affiliate of it, right? So they have the Illinois WorkNet, where they have career training and employment services. And I'm sure if you go to maybe any unemployment office, they will be able to direct you. You let them know which, I guess, field that you are interested in, and then they can connect you. So they have for both adults as well as youth. Maybe someone who recently was incarcerated and now is home, you have an opportunity to connect with them as well. So that's the first one. So it's illinoisworknet.com. So that's one. And let me stop screen. So Tony Camillion, pick up for me so I can get that other one, please.
No, sure. There's lots of programs. There's even Roosevelt University used to have a program for um, older. I forgot what it's called, but I don't want to say older adults, but the non
I think they
traditional
call it
students, mature
mature
adults,
workers.
right?
They call it
Mature,
mature workers.
yeah, yeah, like mature workers, non traditional student, right? So meaning that you didn't come just from high school into the university life, and so there are many programs that many universities as well as community colleges offer people who are non traditional and are interested in furthering their education.
So
Got it?
for business, um, this one is
Ooh.
mostly for women.
Mhm.
If you identify as a woman, I will think. And then, so with that being said, this grant is a $25,000 grant. If you are a business owner and you are looking for funding to finance your business. The amazing thing about this program is that it is on a monthly basis. So as you can see, the January deadline is January 31st, and it's not like this extensive application process. So it's called the Ember Grant for women, and you can connect. You can find it by going to embergrantsforwomen.com, and also womensnet.com as well. So that being said, as you can see, the application cutoff is for January 31st. So they have it like a monthly 10,000, and I also believe that they also have that 25,000 maybe on a yearly basis. So with that being said, you can click here to view the application. And again, as you can see, it's like a very short procedure, a short process. There is a $15 application fee, um, but then you have an opportunity to get a grant that you do not have to pay back for $10,000.
That's
Right?
it. That short little thing is it.
That's it. That's it. Right?
Wow.
Basically, they want it to be. They don't want you to have all those business jargons. They just want to, heal your heart, hear you talk about your business. What are you passionate about? And basically, that's it, right? And so I highly encourage you, if you are in, if you're looking for fundings, go ahead and apply. And so if you go to the website, you can see different businesses who won that grant in the past, so you can check them out. And also just check out the videos to see exactly how they presented themselves, what did they have to say about the business and everything like that, right? There are different categories. So as you can see, they have the monthly Amber Grant, which is $10,000 winner each month. So that means every month, right? Just apply. And then they have the $25,000 annual Amber Grant. They also have a non-for-profit grant and as well as a startup grant. And those are quarterly. Okay. So with that being said, they also have the business category grant. This one, I'm assuming that when you apply, maybe it's, I don't want to say it's, so the monthly Ember grant and the business category grants, I'm assuming that based on your business, that's like basically which month you apply for. But don't quote me on that. You just go through the website and see if that's the case, right? So that's a great resource for you. Do, 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 do.
That's very cool. That's
I
very.
know.
I even saw fashion. You know,
I know.
so
So, yes.
that's very cool.
And for some reason, the main resource that I want to share with you, hello. Thank you for joining us. This is Life in Conversation. We want to help you start the year by connecting you with some resources to help you level up either on your education or in your business. So I just shared one. And finally, I can share what I intended from the beginning. So this is a Chicago early learning program, right?
Hmm.
Um, so I'm assuming maybe one, maybe 5 or 10 years ago. Don't quote me on that. So Chicago Early Learning Program offers free or low cost pre-K program to children's maybe 3 to 5. And so if you are a parent and you have a 3-year-old to 5-year-old prior to the kindergarten cutoff age in the Chicagoland area, it's not, it's a great program to enroll your children in, right? So do not delay. They do have an application process. It's fairly easy. So go ahead and apply for your children, especially if you are looking to leave the home and you want to go back to work, or maybe you just want to go back to school. So this is a great program to enroll your children. The amazing thing about it is they also have like schools program, like any actual physical school facility, and they also have it in daycares as well. So you can take advantage. If you like the school setting, you can apply at your school. And then if you like the daycare setting, obviously maybe because of the longer hour, you can go ahead and apply there. But the main reason that I wanted to share it with you is actually right now they do have a scholarship program, right? They are looking for students who want to gain maybe a degree in early child services, so that obviously they can have more a bigger workforce to support the program. And then so if that's something that you are interested in, the deadline is, I believe, the 18th of this month. So go ahead and apply for this scholarship. um, so it will cover anything that FAFSA does not cover, which is the free application for federal student aid. So any costs that you will have after getting all the financial aid from either FAFSA or from your school, then this scholarship will cover it. However, if you apply for the scholarship and you get it, you do have to commit to working for, I guess, for the program for 3 years. So keep that in mind. But if you go to the Chicago Early Learning website, it's cps.edu. I will add it in the comments. Chicago Early Learning workforce, you will get all the details and you will get the Q&A. As you can see, the work commitment there. You'll be able to read more information about that. I think it's a great opportunity, especially if you were planning on going in that field anyway
Mhm.
and you in the Chicagoland area. Why not? So that's it for me today. I hope to bring more resources to share with you all and hopefully help you, I guess, get on the right path to a thriving 2023. Anything you would like to add, or 20 Chameleon?
No, I think it was you provided some really great resources this evening, which I learned some stuff, which is
Get
really
on
great.
it.
I know, and then it's also 2023. You know, what a great start! Just to learn about
Exactly.
it, look into it, and then people should go out there and apply.
Exactly. Hey, sis, thanks for joining. She said, love it. Yes, yes, yes. Awesome. Well, thank you once again to all of you joining us this evening. My name is Daphne Antoine, live with attorney Daphnée Camilien. We hope to see you next week, Wednesday. Again, if you have any questions for attorney Camilien, you can reach out to her for a 15 minutes free consultation at 847-410-9022 or chameleonlaw.com. I also included a link for you all on the comment regarding if you want to be an affiliate marketer, which means basically sharing people's product or services. And if they enjoy it, you get to earn a commission off of that. So you can check out the link in the comment. Anything else? I wish you all a prosperous 2023. Blessings for everything that you want to accomplish, and just let's be consistent. Anything you like to add, Attorney Chameleon?
Nope. See you next week.
See you all next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye bye. Oh, like, share, comment, help us spread the word. If you found value from what we share it with someone else. Okay. And then by you commenting, then Facebook or YouTube share it with different other people. So we appreciate that. Thank you. See y'all later. Bye bye.